Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer ETH from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account in 2025. If you've got some Ethereum sitting in your Coinbase Wallet and you're ready to cash it out, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the latest Coinbase app installed on your phone or access the website on your computer. Log in with your secure credentials. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for safety. Once you're in, head straight to your portfolio section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including your ETH balance. Next, it's time to convert that ETH into cash. Go to the Trade or Sell tab. Select your ETH, choose the amount you want to sell, and pick your desired fiat currency, like USD. Coinbase will show you the current exchange rate, so keep an eye on any fees that might apply. These can vary based on market conditions in 2025. After the sale is complete, your funds will land in your Coinbase USD wallet. Now, navigate to the Accounts or Withdraw section. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, do that now. It's a quick process with your bank's details. Once linked, select Withdraw and choose your bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check everything for accuracy, and hit Confirm. Processing times might take 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and any 2025 updates to Coinbase's policies. Keep in mind, crypto markets can be volatile, so plan accordingly. And just like that, you're done. Your ETH is now on its way to your bank account. Always stay vigilant against scams and monitor your transactions. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.